Are you sick of trawling through airlines' websites trying to find reward seats? Or maybe you need a last-minute reward seat for an emergency trip? Or maybe you want to see how full your next flight is to see your chance of a sweet upgrade? Stick around because I have just the website for you. G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name's Cal and I make videos about frequent flyer points and premium travel. If that's something you're interested in, hit that like and subscribe button now. Now, it's no secret that finding reward seats can be really tough at the best of times. Logging in 300 days in advance, blindly clicking through every single date with the hopes of hitting the jackpot. What if I told you that there's now an easier way? A purpose-built website that lets you see all economy, premium economy, business class and first class reward seats all in one click. Let me introduce you to the game-changing GyozaFlights. For full disclosure, I'm not being paid to make this video, but they did give me a 1-year membership to evaluate their product. I do just genuinely believe this to be a fantastic tool that I've used myself a bunch of times already. The team at Gyoza have done an incredible job at putting together an easy-to-use website that draws on data from both Virgin Australia and Qantas's own programs to let you search and see every major reward seat route at the tip of your fingers. They also have direct GDS access to provide real-time seat availability. It's not all about reward seats though. They also give you the ability to look at all upcoming flights, either leaving or coming into Australia. Let's say you have a family emergency and need to fly tomorrow. No worries, one click and you can see all of your options. There is also a great flight availability page, which features handy information on how to rank your chances of securing an upgrade. And once you search for your flight, it shows you real-time data about how full the flight is, what seats are still left available, and a basic traffic light system to see your chance of an upgrade being successful. But that's not all. It also lets you set alerts on the flights you want, which will let you know if any premium cabin seats are released or sold. Now, not all good things in life are free, and this is no exception. The team have put a lot of work into this, and they obviously need to keep it running. You can use the platform in a limited capacity for free, which includes being able to search all routes and classes up to 60 days in advance. To unlock the whole platform, you can either select a monthly subscription for $19.99 or a full year for $199.99. Luckily for you, my subscribers can use the promo code GYOZA50 at checkout to receive 50% off your first month's subscription. Now, if you are on the fence about this, let me put it this way. Now, if you travel once a year and you use this service to find those flights, it will have paid for itself straight away. Booking one long-haul business reward seat is already saving you potentially thousands of dollars on the ticket. Spending a couple of $100s to find that seat is money well spent in my opinion. Now enough talk, let's have a look at how exactly it works. Jumping onto the website, the landing page is where you can instantly search for the flights you're after. But before you do that, there are some great web articles for you to read if you want to sharpen up your knowledge of frequent flyer systems and how it all works. Once you're ready to search, all you have to do is put in your departure and arrival city, then use the Dates tab to see the availability with red showing economy, yellow for premium economy, gold for business class, and bronze for first class. From there, select your date and it will instantly show you your options, how many points and taxes the ticket will cost, what frequent flyer program's points you need to book it, and the ability to set an alert for up-to-date information on changes to availability. One new feature that I absolutely love is this 3-month graph that shows up along the bottom of your search window, giving you an instant idea on what availability is like in all classes in one quick glance. Now, it is important to note that this data is being pulled periodically and not in real time. It's always obviously a good idea to cross-reference your flight once you've found it, so all you have to do is take note of the routing and dates, jump onto your frequent flyer portal and have a search with that information. And bingo, there's our flight. Heading back to Gyoza, the next menu section is the all business and first class page. Easily selecting leaving Australia or back to Australia will show you all outbound or inbound flights with reward availability. This is such a cool idea if you need to head overseas for a family emergency, or maybe you have a long weekend and points to burn and just want to get away in an instant. The column headings can be used to filter by city, class, and what frequent flyer program. This can be a bit clunky, and something I would love to see in future updates is a filter button so that you can put in your departure cities in Australia and arrivals location. So you could, for example, do a search from Melbourne to Europe and show only European airports. But currently, you would have to use the from column to filter by city and tab all the way across to get to Melbourne, which can take a really long time. The next menu tab is the flight availability. It gives you a handy guide on how fare classes work, how upgrades work, and how to read the airline's tables. What this can do is show you how many unsold seats in each fare type there are on your upcoming flight, and give you a basic traffic light ranking of your chance of your upgrade being successful. Clicking on the flight, it will give you the detailed information about what fares remain unsold. It's always good to remember that having seats available is only one hurdle in getting an upgrade. Airline status and the original fare you are booked on are taken into consideration, so don't take this as a guarantee. It's also good to remember that award fares are generally not eligible for upgrades, so you can't book an economy reward fare and hope to bid for an upgrade. Truly, the only way to guarantee that you're flying premium is to buy a premium ticket to start with. I think the team at Gyoza have done such an incredible job on this website, and it's already saved me countless hours in finding flights for myself and whoever gets in touch with me asking for a little bit of guidance. I'm really excited for the future of this website, and I really hope that you are too. That's all from me today. Keep an eye out on my YouTube for my upcoming complete guides into the Velocity and Qantas frequent flyer programs. Until next time, see you at the pointy end.